Hello, once again. Welcome here in Lapuckin Venture Capital TV. It's going to be a great show today, very interesting about NFTs and sport. Hello, my name is Javier. I'll be your host for today. And like every session, we bring innovation, technology, and solutions. And during all their sessions, you get to hear it directly from the founders and the CEOs of the project. The best part is that you're always welcome to post your questions or comments in the chat box. This is quite a unique learning experience because, again, you get to hear it directly from the founders of the project in order for you to make a decision if you want to move forward and invest. Before we move on to the interview, as a reminder, you can always hear previous shows and content by visiting talking.com/VCTV/shows. Also, follow us on our socials like Facebook and Twitter. And if you're watching us on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button because you're always getting informed of great content, opportunities, and a lot of giveaways. One last thing, a reminder, anything mentioned here is not any type of financial advice. Please do your research before making any decision. It's your choices and your responsibilities. And with that said, I would like to very much welcome the team behind Hub, Mr. Doga Oskan, who's the CEO and co-founder of Hub. Doga, how are you? Very welcome.
Javier, thank you. First of all, I'm fine. How are you?
Very good, very good. Thank you. As reviewing the webpage, it's real interesting. Scout Hub, a real-time fantasy football game built as a play and earn concept for soccer fans all around the globe. So that sounds really interesting. We have a lot of questions prepared for you. But before we move on, can I ask you to please introduce yourself, introduce the team, and tell us a little bit about the project?
Yes, Javier, thank you. Of course. Actually, I am one of the co-founder and I am executive the CEO of the project Startup. Who we are, of course, I will deeply examine that. But what is Startup? I have to tell all the audience actually. Startup actually it's a fantasy football game with empowered by NFTs and the blockchain technology. Offers football fans a new fantasy football experience by utilizing a cutting-edge play and earn model. You can possess your team via NFTs, and then NFTs are related with outside data metrics, and we are gathering these data from the Opta. Opta is the most reliable provider in sports statistics. Actually, what is fantasy football, Javier? In the fantasy football, maybe not the all the crypto native enthusiasts don't know about the football. So I have to tell our audiences actually. In the fantasy football, participants assemble an imaginary team of real life football players and score the points based on their real life statistical performance or their perceived contribution to the field of play. Actually, this is actually a good combination because nowadays we have got lots of NFT projects and token projects, but NFT's value are not related with actually a performance real world data. Actually, who we are. Actually, we are a startup, but we try to extend our partnership. Actually, we are a little enterprise because we are getting bigger. We have got 30 people who are working with us, actually. We have got shareholders, and these holders widely experience about their domain, actually. For example, we are a big company because we have got Web2 area, Web3 area, and the blockchain area and football dynamics area, also legal issues. So our participants are have got wide experience about that site. So we are a good company, a good combination who can deliver like a big project. This is not just a crypto project; it's a big project because we are welcoming all the esports fans for devotion who can play our platform actually.
Very good. Okay. I would just like to remind our viewers that they can obtain more information about the
Of course,
project,
of course, of
about
course, of course.
the about the NFT, how it works, the documents. All of that is available in scouthub.io. And another news for our viewers is that currently Scout Hub is having their IEO in La Token. And if you allow me, I would just like to share the screen so our viewers can see it. And there you go. You have the link down there. It's latoken.com/IEO/hub. And that you'll be able to see it as here as I'm sharing my screen. All information about Hub so you can learn more. And if so, you decide, then you can participate in the IEO. The IEO is the first round. It started on the 6th of July and it will end on the 17th of July, 4 days from now. As you see, the price per token, the IEO price is quite low. And obviously, it's expected that after the IEO price, it would just raise. So um, you can find here in the IEO page within La Token, the information project summary, the token economics, how is that going to be distributed, the use of the funds, and also the team, information about the team, which is very important. So this will have all information for you to move forward and make a decision. Once again, this will end the first round on the 17th of July, 4 days from now. So please go to latoken.com/IEO/HUBSC below. If you do not have an account on Latoken, simply go to latoken.com, open account. You only need one piece of ID of documents to upload, and you're ready to trade. Simple as that. So, Doug, I just wanted to mention that quickly for our traders who are interested in participating in the project. So let's continue with the interview. At the very beginning, what was the problem or the issue that you foresaw and motivated you and your co-founders to start the project?
Actually, of course, if you deliver a project, it's a startup or experience a big company, you have to agree with your actually co-founders. All co-founders must trust each other, and you have got a divergent, unique skills. For example, one co-founder is focused on the technical side, maybe the other has got knowledge about and the deep experience about the marketing process. Some of the because you know that crypto native doesn't know about the private equity, but in the classic finance or the classic software companies last highly focus on private equity area. So we focus on legal issues with the football clubs. These are necessities that dictates that you have to combine all the skills, and this is the first obstacle we have to actually make more around about this project actually. But we have formed our team with successfully. After that, we focused on legal issues, because you know that in the crypto native projects, just making ICOs and after collecting raising money, they try to make a development, and they possibility they didn't fit their roadmap. This is the actually most negative side of these crypto native projects. But actually, we didn't raise the money first. Actually, we all make our software development actually.
Okay, I think yep.
Actually.
Okay, so you cut off a little bit there. So basically, then what you're saying is that first you develop the software, and after that, you're looking at then to raise funds for continuing.
Yes. This is the our positive sides. You know that there is a actually more gap in the Web3 area, and we have to meet the expectations about the mainstream. Crypto native can't get still mainstream. We have to solve that. Of course, we can sort lots of reasons about that. For example, huge gap between Web 2 and Web 3 area actually, because lots of people met with this technology, blockchain technology, with Web 3.0. But lots of people again met with economy via Web 3.0. But we have got lots of experience about Web 2 area. I'm a software developer too. So we have to embrace Web 3, Web 2, and Web 3 actually, because always every concept has got pros and cons. And you take the positive sides, and you have to get rid of the negative sides. Actually, becoming mainstream is the main concern of the a play and earn crypto native project, actually, because you have to uh, provide playability of your project. This is not just a token sale. Users must play your game. This is our concern. So we focus really lots of time to tackle this obstacle, actually, because people must play our game, must play our platform. We have to ease the process of integration, because for example, still lots of people don't know how to use decentralized wallets right now. Of course, we are seeing a growth maturity in the decentralized wallets like MetaMask, but still we are lack of mainstream. Still, people are afraid of using that for the hacks or the some hard process. So we think that our platform must ease that. We take the pros of Web 2 and pros of
Mhm.
Web 3, actually.
Wait, Doug, one question I have: how is Scout Hub preparing for the Web3?
Very good, very good, very good. Actually, you know that we have got the Web 2 part and Web 3
Yeah.
part. This is divergence dynamics, actually. For example, you know that we have got a concept. This is not a new concept, play and earn, actually. Axie Infinity boosted that dynamic. And after subsequent projects, just focusing the raising money and launching their platform. But I think we are lack of sustainability, actually. And we are more focused on sustainability. How can we achieve this? Of course, some economical principles are needed for that. But we have got NFTs, we have got Hub token. This is the main pillars of the startup project. Actually, this is the main core architecture of the startup project. But what is different about the startup from the other play and earn concepts?
Hmm.
We, we are focusing on playability. Okay, we have divergent statistics. For example, we need crypto traders, we need non-native crypto enthusiasts who likes to play. If you don't stay the players in your platform, this play and earn technology will fail. We all see that because devotion is the main concern. So people come and stay in our platform. Of course, they will get rewarded. Of course, they will get earn money. This is the main rule of the play and earn. This is not a lack of Web3 development, but people like to stay in the platform, not just earning money. If you more focus of that, your platform will die very soon. We try to extend the life cycle of our platform. Actually, we have got a hub token. We have got lots of utility for hub token. You have to preserve hub token for a utility, but our NFTs actually we are a licensed game. How we are focusing to extend our major global leagues. Actually, first deal will come up with Turkish football clubs. This is so important. Why it's important that because we are a license, we are backed by football clubs like Fenerbahce, like Galatasaray, and other Turkish clubs. We are focusing on that, and we made really hard challenges, make agreement with this club previous 6 and 7 months, actually,
Hmm.
with parallel to software development. Our middle team just focus on that, actually. If you take our NFTs, for example, our NFTs build related with real data dynamics to football players. For example, nowadays, you have got NFTs like a JPEG or the video, doesn't important. Uh, this value is volatile. Okay, people sell and buy. But think about that. Who will obtain this price? What is the correlation with this with price and the NFT's value? This our in our NFTs we have got footballers and we have got some divergent, like you see that bronze gold and the other package. These are related with availability of the football players in the Turkish club or the extended, for example, Latin America. We will extend our partnership.
Yeah, that'll be a great market, Latin America, actually.
Yes, yes, Latin America. Yes, maybe we are focusing on actually on the European side. Actually, we made agreement with some countries, but we declined that process. This is the out of the record actually,
Mm-hmm.
and we are still working about that. For example, the football players' data come from the Opta, okay, and that player, if you possess a team in our platform, we have different game modes. You will possess your team. You will make a squad about your team actually, and you will enter different game modes. But what is different? Our football players is really located in the real world, in the football teams. Okay, and if that football player play that game, okay, very good, you will collect more points, more score, okay, and your squad will earn more reward. This is like a possibility, but this is of course not just a possibility. This is so how can I say that, describe that, so suitable for creativity. This is so suitable for soft skills. If you a talented guy who can a very good squad, you can earn more reward. You can make research if you relate it with football, or if you don't relate to football, you just need to earn rewards. You have to examine, you have to search, and you can make your squad. Just that the point actually.
Mm-hmm. Okay, it does make a lot of sense. And again, I think the target audience is great because millions of people are into football. And as you said, in case you're not into football, but you can still have make revenue, and that's a good thing. To our viewers, please drop us your comments in the chat box. We want to hear from you. And also remember, you can learn more about the project by visiting the website scouthub.io. As we are seeing here in the shared screen, you have all the information needed to learn and to participate in the project. Once again, the IEO that Hub is having with La Token will end on the 17th of July. That means 4 days from now. So if you want to act, I would suggest you act rather fast. So, Doga, you mentioned about the token. Okay, I think that's very important, the Hub token. How does the token get involved in the whole project and ecosystem?
Actually, this is a good question. Of course, token is very important, but we don't distinguish NFTs and hot token. This is main pillars of our project. If you let me, I can, of course, make a brief intro about
Please
NFTs.
do.
Actually, we offers licensed player cards, and we try to streamline for an engagement game. Actually, okay, NFTs are the first barrier. Okay, this
Hmm.
is so important for us. Firstly, we focus on Turkish Super League. After we will finalize the legal agreements. Actually, so we will make a NFT mint. This is so important for us. We are getting ready very carefully actually, and we will make announcements very soon for this agreement, legal agreement actually. And hub token, yes, this is the hub token is the another main pillar. And if you make a play and earn game, you have to create your tokens utility very carefully. And we make research, and make more deeply conversations about how can we gain utility our tokens. Because you know that if a token doesn't get utility, it's just a reward token. People buy it and people sell it. And this is the end of your platform. We don't want that actually. Because of this reason, some of the main pillars and the roles of hub token. For example, you can enter our different game modes, and maybe you can preserve some of the hub tokens in-game purchases. And this is the marketplace token. You can buy, sell your NFTs from our marketplace. Marketplace is our software. Okay, we will deliver that marketplace in our platform. Also, you will make stake, and you will get reward with this hub token actually we will make a DAO. Actually, you can participate this DAO with your hub token. What is the DAO? Actually, you will make votes in DAO. For example, you have a football player, it's a real football player with correlation between real world data. After 1 year, that footballer is gain more attraction. In our platform, this football player is like a bronze category, okay? But
Hmm.
we will ask our devotion fans that football player played very well. Can we get make to first class? The token holders we will vote that via our DAO platform, and we will change the reality of these football players. Actually, the other side, with that fan tokens, we want to make bridge with fan tokens. In the token area, fan tokens doesn't have much more utility, and the token holders are very upset. Because of these reasons, actually, we try to gain some utility to fan tokens, okay, via our fan leaks. Fan leaks is our very special game mode, one of the special game modes. And if you want to enter the fan leaks, you have to preserve a hub token. This is the another utility actually.
Okay. That and all that information is available on the website, right?
Yes, yes, of course. We have got a white paper, we have got a deck.
Very
Actually, we
important.
can, all the people can see our economical token economics, all the vesting schedule.
Okay, great. Fantastic, because that's what they need. Now, let's talk about the benefits for investors. What can investors expect when they will start acquiring your token?
Yes, yes. Actually, first of all, I would like to state that we are a project with license agreement with official leagues and teams. You know that in the crypto native projects, uh, there is no such a big announcements like that. We want to make partnership with global and with local football clubs. Actually, this is the
Hmm.
first barrier and the first good point for enter and investing our project actually. And these are the biggest clubs actually. Don't forget that. And we want our investors to be aware of this actually. And thanks to our growth model, we are in talks with many leagues, not just one league. Actually, we have got makes deeper research which football leagues are suitable us, and we make some arrangement and we talk with that with official guys in that leagues. Actually, we are try to gain the other leagues to our startup project. Actually, in other words, we are a team that has a forward-looking goals and works with this planning, and we have different game modes like hub league, main league, one-to-one challenge. What our platform is extendable. What does that mean? So think about that. We have a game mode like quest. They will deliver always a new quest, new game dynamics about that, and people will love it. Okay, will play that quest. So this is not a static, not a statical platform. It will be grow bigger. We will add more suitable games. We will add more leagues actually. So think about that. If that platform can be bigger, you can talk with Argentina guy, for example. We can talk with another African league, for example. You can interact with them actually. This is not a short term game actually. We are not a short term who can look forward to short term game company actually. Our plan is more actually long actually.
Okay, thank you for that information, Doga. Now, we have heard in the past, there might be other projects out there that are dealing with the play and earn concept. So, what would you say that makes your project different than the other ones in the market out there?
Yes, yes. For example, we are entering the market together with license leagues. I
Hmm.
more focusing of license leagues. This is so important because we are backed with national leagues and we are backed from official football clubs. This is so important for us. They will preserve our hub token and we will make some big marketing with biggest clubs in Turkey. First of all, after that we are extended another leagues. This is, I think, this is the successful part actually, and giving a privilege to fund token holders. This is another advantage because fund tokens are like today is little garbage and they're just stay there. People waiting to their price up and up, but there is no utility to gain that price volatility. We try to gain some utility to fund tokens via our DEX actually. Of course, we have got lots of differences. For example, easily accessible fantasy football game that has a low entry barrier, for example. We try to ease the process of entering our game because we know that playing a platform, playability of the platform is the most important thing. We don't want to earn money right now, actually. We try to gain playability of our platform, actually. Also, we well designed a game loop and game economy. What is game loop? We try to stay the people in the platform. This is the more important thing, actually. And we are connecting real life performance data provided by Opta with blockchain. We have got an experienced team actually, like fantasy football, which has knowledge about fantasy football game dynamics. Actually, we are not making a not proof project. This is a proof project. We are combining Web2 and Web3 together. We are merging actually, and this is the proof-based project actually. Uh, and we are implementing interactable gamification mechanisms to increase the retention. This is the extent. This will extend the life cycle of our project because you know that most of the play and earn games are die of actually reward mechanism. So we will make this comfortable for all the users actually.
Okay, great, great, great. Sounds good. You have very strong differentiators. And once again, to our viewers, the main differentiators are that they are dealing with licensed leagues, official football leagues. It's not only virtual, like you can see other projects out there they just invented. This you have something tangible in the back. And then, Doug, I would also add that you first started developing the software. Later, you're raising funds to continue with it. It's a very big differentiator because a lot of projects out there, I'm not saying it's bad, it's just saying how it is, that they would first try to fund their idea and it may work out or it may not, right? And the big challenge there is to keep up the value of the tokens. Where in this case, the project itself have developed their own software already. So that's a very big advantage, very big differentiator. Now, with that said, Doga, I would like to ask about what's going to happen in the future, right, with the project itself. But you know that it's very good, difficult to forecast because of market circumstances, regulation, technology changing day by day. So where do you think, or where do you wish Scout Hub to be in a couple of years from now?
Very good question, Javier. Thank you. You know that yes, we don't have any regulation in the crypto native area. This is so hard to predict the future. You know that, but uh, experience like I think you have to predict some future because we have got some experience actually in the software development platform. So you have to deliver a project which can be extended. Okay, as a matter of fact, we are working with a 6 year time frame actually.
Okay.
For example, not within a 3 year plan. We are here to make this startup make a big long-term company actually, and regulations actually don't affect us because you know that nowadays lots of crypto regulators halt some projects like Solana if they're security or not. You know that Michael Saylor said that yesterday, I think. He said that Ethereum is a security. This is very upset for us and the crypto native world. But we are focusing on software, okay? It's just another NFT and the hub token company, okay? We're a software development platform. We,
Yeah.
of course, we need a token and NFTs, but these NFTs we're correlated with real-time data, and we are backed with the football clubs. Because of this reason, I don't concern too much about the relations can affect the startup project actually. But
Okay.
we have got a very good known legal advisors in our company. He's very well known in Turkey and he's very well known in the globe. He has got a deep knowledge about the token process, security or utility, and the NFT process. So we made deep, large research about before the announce our project. We said that Scaltop won't be affected from any regulations. We have to be careful. So we designed it architecture with our legal counsel actually.
Okay, very good. And in the general part of it, in 2 3 years from now, how do you think Scout Hub will be? Will it going to have more products and features, more games? Will it have more official football leagues on board?
Very good. Yes, yes. Javier, you are right. For example, you are delivering a project, but this project is not be static. It will be dynamic project. What I mean, you have to extend your project. For example, we have got some different game modes like Hub League, one-to-one challenge quest. But the quest and the fun leagues are very important for us because you can extend and you can add more game modes there. Okay, and if you make contract with another leagues, you can extend your reliability, you can extend your knowledge and the know-how and the connection base. This is so important for us. If you extend your game mode, if you can, yes, we can extend because our architecture based on this extend mobility. And
Hmm.
after that, we can make agreements. It's an ease of situation. We actually make this hard part make easy. This is just the delivery part. Actually, we are waiting for the delivery. After
Hmm.
that, the contracts make the situation very easy for us. Actually,
Okay, interesting. Thank you very much. And once again, Doga, once you have any kind of new demo or project, then please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be very glad to hear it.
uh, actually, how we are right now. We made a closed beta, and the results are so satisfying. We are so happy, and we had an aggressive roadmap. You know
Yeah.
that we are in a beer market, and lots of crypto native projects halted their situation because beer market affects every us. Okay, I know that, but we didn't stop our development. We didn't stop our delivery time. We want to make a successful mind process in the August, okay? And we have to deliver our project. This is our ambitions because we said that we want to make this uh, in the August and the September. Okay, we said that, and we didn't stop that situation. Actually, this is make us so reliable because we didn't collect money and we don't run away. We are here. We are not an anonym guy. All co-founders have got Twitter address. All co-founders have got LinkedIn address. You can see that they have got a huge background in the software platforms, for development. Actually, in the private equity area, you can see in the deck, you can see in the white paper, you can find me in the Twitter. I'm a software developer too, actually. I said that the important thing is delivery. We will deliver that project in the following months. Actually, this is our ambitions according to ambitions roadmap. Actually,
Okay, good, good, good. You're very ambitious, but very good as well. I another thing I noticed that you have a very strong community, and a very large one at that. Can you tell me? And we all know that the community is the backbone of these projects. They're one of the most important assets, and it takes time, of course, to build it. Where is most of your community coming from geographically? Which countries?
very good question. Actually, if you deliver a project in the crypto native area, decentrality is very important. What I mean decentrality, you have to make your community first. If you don't have community, you can. If you make a very good project, you can't make it. You can't deliver it. You need uh, large and successful community. But this community must own the projects, need devotion. Because if you don't have a devotion, won't make last actually, in fail in 3 months or 4 months because of the volatility of the token perspective in the beer, according to beer market and the bull market. Actually, we hard more focused on the community area. Our COO and our CMO focused on that. Said that we, for example, we had a divergent community in the local area, in the global area. We focused on the both of them. We didn't make privilege to first or the second. We said that global area is important and the local area is important. This is the equal, okay? Because of this reason, we try to maintain this community parallel with local and the global. We have got some marketing researchers. We have got some marketing senior researchers, and we are working with them. How can we construct a very good community in this beer market? You know that actually nowadays people don't want to make an invest in the beer market because we lost of money. Of course, I have lost some money in the beer market, but you know that Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin said that in the beer market the software development is very good. So I'm waiting beer market to make construct a software development. This is the key for us actually. So we worked, and we tried to extend our community. We still extend that, but this is so magnificent results for a company who make announcement like 1 month ago. Okay, because people like that, and also after the announcement with leagues, Turkish Super Leagues, after the
Yeah.
global leagues, we will expect more community will come us to play and maybe earning money. This is our result, but we will make big announcements following weeks actually.
Okay, the following week, so we have to keep an eye open for that.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, once again, to our viewers, a reminder: you can find more information about Scott Hub from going to the webpage, which is down below, scotthub.io. And to participate in the project, you can do so by going to latoken.com/IEO/HUB. Please do research about the project, obtain the information that's available before making your decisions. It's your responsibility. But if you wish to participate, then now's the time. The IEO will end on the 17th of July, which is 4 days from now. So you're still on time to participate. Doga, thank you very much. Has been very enlightening. I appreciate you being with us. And do you have any final words for our viewers today?
Javier, thank you. I have explained all the details. Please, I have said that please look at our deck, look at our white paper. You can all the answers around that. You can always reach our co-founders, ask one-to-one questions. Doesn't important. You can enter our Telegram channels, official Telegram channels, please. But we have got different game modes. This is so important. This is just not a one game, okay? Like we have got a main league, hub league, one-to-one challenge. Like we have mini games and fun leagues, and all these divergent leagues are suitable to another and divergent players. Okay, this is so important for us. For example, if you don't have much money, for example, you can one challenge, okay, but you have got lots of money, you can challenge another league. This is we have worked very statistically actually. Because of this reason, we have got more reliable to our platform. We have more reliable to game loop and the income and the expenses. Because of this reason, please reach out our website. Please examine our white paper. Our Telegram channel administrators will provide you all the details what you need.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Doga. I appreciate having here once again. Whenever you have any demo or anything new, make sure that you come to visit us, and we would love to see it.
Yes, Javier. Thank you very much. We
Very
will, of
much.
course.
And to our viewers, thank you for your attention. Have a great reminder of the day, and I'll see you at the next show. Doga, take care. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
See you, Javier. Thank you.